Alright guys, we're going to replace the blade on a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. Sorry about the fan, but it's hot. We're in Florida. I'll put the wiper in the description below. DLR 14. Just click on the link. Just spread both sides of this so it pops up. We bring this all the way up, and then we just rotate this all the way back, and it pops right on out, just like that. And I'll open up the package for the new one. Alright, package comes like this. This obviously isn't the same as that. So you got two with thin bars, two with fat bars. That one's got a fat bar, so we'll get rid of the thin bars. We don't need them. This is a square end on the old one. We got a circle end or a square end. We want the square end on it. Then we're just going to put that on top and click it in place. Right, something like that. Get in, boom, clicked in place, just like that. Now, you go back over to your windshield wiper, and you just slide it up in. It's like you slid it out, back down. There's a protective sheet on it. Take that off. Boom, clicked in place, and that's it. All right, guys, I'll put the wiper in the description below. Click the link. Peace.